Hello friends, welcome to this latest podcast episode. I'm Lena, your host. We all know, this COVID outbreak has left a deep impact on our lives. I hope you all are well and following all safety protocols while outing. Yes, we can no longer wait inside the home, and we need to go out for works. Taking public transport can be too risky these days. Instead, you can take a reliable taxi service which is completely safe and protected to reach office or other workplace. Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service is a reliable taxi service provider in Kennedale, Texas. You might be thinking why I recommend them? Well, it is because they are following every safety protocol to provide the utmost safety assurance to the customers. Their drivers are using masks, gloves, sanitizers, and maintaining no contact with the riders while driving. Not just these, they are also sanitizing the cabs every day. Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service didn't hike their cab charge, they are taking the same affordable fees like they did. When you take a cab ride from them, you would get a high standard cab ride still within your budget. Thinking how can you book cabs from them? Use their online application cab service to DFW Airport or call them at 817-881-6863 to get your cab ride anytime or anywhere you want. If you still have a query, then send them an email at contact@bigtexascabs.com, or you can browse https://bigtexascabs.com/ to explore more about them. I hope this episode is useful to you. This is all for today. I'll come back with another episode. Till then, stay tuned for latest updates.